Do you want to upload high-quality reels? If you're facing an Instagram crisis like Sunny Gala, in his 2024 Instagram crisis, we've got the ultimate guide to unfreezing your account. In just 2 minutes, Instagram Reels are a powerful tool to showcase your talent and creativity, but it can be frustrating when your account gets frozen. Fear not, as we have the solution to get you back in action. Firstly, it's crucial to ensure your reels are of high quality. Invest in a good camera or use the latest smartphone with a high-resolution camera to capture stunning moments. Clear images and smooth videos will make your reels stand out from the crowd. Secondly, focus on your lighting. Natural lighting is the key to bright and vibrant reels. Avoid dimly lit areas, as they can make your content look dull and uninteresting. Find the perfect spot with ample sunlight to make your reels visually appealing. Thirdly, don't forget about the audio. Instagram Reels are not just about visuals. They also rely on audio to engage viewers. The sound quality should be crisp and clear, so invest in a good microphone. Choose background music that suits the mood and enhances the overall experience. Lastly, pay attention to your editing skills. Use editing apps or software to refine your reels. Trim unnecessary parts, add filters, and enhance the colors to make your content visually stunning. A well-edited reel will captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Follow these tips, and you'll be able to upload high-quality reels that will make a lasting impression on your followers. Don't let an Instagram crisis stop you from sharing your talent. Unfreeze your account and get ready to shine with impressive reels. Remember, it only takes a couple of minutes to turn things around and create reels that truly stand out. So start implementing these techniques today and get ready to wow your audience with captivating content.